The day I don't die there, dude. Oh my god! 56. 56 is the worst part of the level. Dude, actually, this is extremely frustrating. And I'm not gonna practice this, because this level does not deserve to be practiced. Thank you for the 1 bit, guy. Really appreciate it. Twitch emotes are great. Not. A lot of them really suck. Better Twitch TV emotes though, they're pretty good. Sometimes, you know, I wish Twitch would integrate them so, you know, people could enjoy the emotes without having to download the Chrome extension. Finally, I made it through that. Okay, that's all I wanted to do. Oh my god, dude. Whoa, thank you for the $100, Forgotten Gamer. Really appreciate that, my dude. Thank you so much for the 100 fake dollars. Alright, 275 attempts. Lame, make your level? Yeah, this level is lame. There it is.